guys, it's Georgia. Today we're going to be talking about the rules of differentiation. In a previous video, we talked about the instantaneous rate of change and how we found the derivative using first principles. Today we're going to find the derivative a little bit easier. So the derivative, as we know, is notated f dash of x. And to find that, our formula is n of x to the power of n minus 1. So what this is saying is, to find our derivative easier, we take our power and we bring it out to the front. So we multiply it by x, and then we take away 1 from our power. So if we come over to this equation over here, f of x equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 1. And we want to find f dash of x. So to do that, we're going to use this formula over here. So we're going to start with our power. So in this case, our power is 3. We're going to bring that out to the front. So 3, we're going to multiply it by our x, or in this case, 2x. And then we're going to take away 1 from our power. So our power then becomes 2. We're going to use the same formula for our second one here. So a 5x squared. So we're going to bring the 2 down to the front, or our power down to the front. We're going to multiply it by 5x, and we're going to take away our power. We take away 1 from our power, so that leaves 5x to the power of 1. Now, because this last one doesn't have an x, we can't use this rule, so we end up with 0. So that leaves us with 6x squared minus 10x. Now we need to have to think about if we could write f dash of x if our equation was written as y equals x squared. So now that you've had a think, you should have come up with, well, it doesn't really make sense to use f dash of x if our equation is y, and that's correct. So instead of writing f dash of x, we write as dy dx. So this is saying that we're finding the derivative of y as a function of x. So if we come down to this example at the bottom here, we have x equals t cubed minus t squared. So we're going to use the notation here, but instead of y and x, we have x and t. So this is a function of x in relation to t. So we have dx dt is equal to, we're going to use the same formula, so we bring down our power, multiply it by our t in this case, and then take away 1 from our power, and then we bring down our power again, t, and then we take away 1 from our power. Thanks for listening.